Well, everything is together. I got my hatch latch is in and all the lighting wiring done for it to be road legal. So I think it's time to take it for a test drive.
I'm building a tiny teardrop camper from scratch, the Wander Tears Vaga. The goal is to get this rig ready for our family adventures in 2026.
All hooked up, and yeah, I used a little bit lower of a drop for this time, and that color's pretty close, not too far off. So the only other thing to do is just double check my lights. So this car has a blind spot feature where it'll warn me if there's someone in my blind spot. And this has a way for that blind spot to still work if I have a trailer. All right, we're gonna head out here and go for the first test. So just going down my driveway, everything looks fine. I'm gonna go the long way through the neighborhood and then go down the main road and stop at this old school and see how everything looks. Just gonna do a quick check. Either I need to put a thing on my hitch because I can feel it moving up and down, and there's a little bit of play in it. So far, everything looks just fine. I made sure I torqued all my lug nuts down correctly. Nothing has fallen off yet. Well, about a mile down the road, let's take a quick look around and see if anything has moved around at all. And I think it's good. There's a little bit of play in here, and a lot of times it's from just this hitch right here. But sometimes it could be like there's a bolt underneath here that could be tightened. I have a clamp that goes onto here to help with just that motion. Well, I did some highway driving, only 55 miles an hour, but wanted to see how it would pull. I just stopped at the park and ride to see what it looks like. See how if these hubs are warm at all. No, they're not warm at all. Here at my house, it's pretty tight. I kind of have to jackknife it to get it in place. So first time doing this, so I'm gonna go set up my camera up in the driveway so you can watch how this is done. So let's see how this all looks. Everything seems fine. I did have one thing that happened where I was getting onto the highway and that side hit a pretty big bump and it went pretty high up into the air. So I think everything is perfect on it, really. So I think what I'm gonna do, I gotta pick up the kids in a couple of hours. We'll take this. This is the clamp thingy, and it basically just sits on here and holds this whole thing nice and tight so it doesn't bounce around. So I figured I'd come on down to the TA and get this trailer weighed. See how this goes. I think I need to weigh both of these together and then the truck and then take the difference. So I got that part done, weighing both together. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, going for a round 2, getting just the Explorer weighed. And go push this button. So yeah, that really wasn't so bad. It's just not really knowing. So I weighed my car after that, and everyone inside was very nice and patient with me. Everything is weighed. I'm ready to head back out, and here's where I'm at. So this one shows the Explorer and the camper are at 6,320 pounds. This one shows just the Explorer 4,960. So the difference is right here, 1,360. That's what the camper weighs. Ah, there he is.
Hello.
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 Just hello, huh?
Yeah, I see you have the camper.
Ah, the camper, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is back there, isn't it? Been hauling around all day.
Yeah.
All right, well, made it back successfully. Everything's weighed in, and the first, I don't know, 20 miles or so are on the wheels. It is very bouncy though. Like some of the bigger bumps really do send it up pretty high. You can really load it up, 3,500 pounds, and that'll ride even better. Let's see how the galley looks after its trip. Yeah, looks perfectly fine. See what it looks like inside. Yeah. On those bigger bumps, the table didn't come down. None of my cabinets popped open. It looks perfect. No broken glass anywhere. Yeah. A good, successful test trip. Next up will be doing an actual camp in it, and I might do that next weekend. Also, the other trip to do is to get it down to the state patrols. Maybe I can find something before May 11th because I'm ready. The camper is ready enough to go take it to the state patrol, have them inspect it.